I just got done washing my hair, so I'm going in with my Pureauty Naturals, and I just want to tell y'all some info about it. So this is a Biotin hair serum. It's advanced formula. I have reviewed this before, but they have kind of changed it because this time it comes with a pump. I'm pretty sure before you just like squeeze it out. The directions are to dispense 2 to 3 drops directly onto the scalp or into the palm of your hand. Use your fingertips to gently work it into the scalp and massage in circular motions. For additional conditioning, distribute with fingertips on damp hair from mid-length to ends, wrapping longer hair into a bun to soak in. Allow time for hair to fully absorb serum. Do not dry right away. For best results, leave in overnight. And you're supposed to wash this out. I'm gonna just put some of this on my scalp. So this is my hair, and I'm just gonna open it. Well, I gotta get it going. And I'm just gonna put a few drops all around my hair, and I'm gonna leave mine in. Look at my hair, y'all. Like, isn't she looking so good? I know you're not supposed to, but I let my conditioner sit overnight, but it really dried out because I didn't put a bag on it. I just was too lazy to wash it down. This feels good. It kind of smells like peppermint a bit. And of course, as y'all know, biotin is great for growing out your hair, but usually biotin is in the form of a pill. So it's really cool that you can actually apply it straight to your hair. I am going to leave mine in because I'm about to get a sew in. So, and I'm going to blow dry it into my hair. So yeah, this is how my hair looks. Y'all know shrinkage is very real. But yeah, that's going to be my little leave-in serum. And I will come back and show y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the look that I got. It is weeks later, but if you want to grow your hair super fast, because girl, I just went from that to this real quick. Okay, I'm joking, but seriously, this is my install. This is my install after I have used my Pureauty Naturals Biotin Serum. So definitely go and pick you up some. It definitely promotes hair growth, and it is biotin. But if you don't like to take pills, or maybe you're taking the pills and you want to use something like on your actual hair, this is a great product to check out. And the serum is really nice. It's lightweight. It's not oily or anything like that. I didn't have any problems with my install after I have applied this on my hair. And I could definitely go in and apply it at any time. It is like a wet type of formula though. So if you're going to use it more so for like wet styles, but if you have like straightened your hair out, you don't really want to put this because it's going to make your hair revert. So yeah, I think this is really nice, and I got 2 bottles, so I'm gonna definitely try this on my daughter as stated. So definitely check out Pureauty Naturals, and I will have the info listed down below for you dolls. Bye dolls.